What is up, Crypto Costa here, back with another video, and this video is the first video of the new series in which I'm gonna show you how to participate in the crypto launchpads. I'm gonna be showing you the biggest crypto launchpads and I'm gonna be showing you how you can participate in them to gain those massive gains. Right, so today as the first launchpad I'm gonna start with Polkastarter, which is the biggest launchpad in the crypto space. I'm gonna show you what you can expect from new IDOs from the Polkastarter. I'm gonna show you how much profit you could make from the previous IDOs on the platform, and later I'm gonna show you how you can actually participate in the IDOs on Polkastarter. So let's just start this video. And before we start, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. And remember to always do your own research, DR. So here I am, as you can see, on the main site of Polkastarter, and as you can see they have two upcoming pools. You can see it right here: Lithium Finance and Polytrade. You have also ended pools, which are Coinburp, Open Ocean, Real Life, blah blah blah, so many of them. And right now it may be really good to actually sign up for this IDO, because when we look at the Polkastarter, we can see that the price was already around $6, and right now it's around $1. So if you sign up right now, this might be a good time to wait for another bull run, and then there's gonna be probably more and more IDOs on the Polkastarter, so that you'll be able to participate and have higher chances to actually make some gains thanks to this. Right, so right now I'm gonna show you actually how much profit you could make if you have taken part in those previous IDOs. So here you can see as how much profit you can make and how many X's you can make from the previous IDOs on Polkastarter. So as you can see, from ERN you can make 194x, from SuperN you can make 173x, from Matter you can make 85x, and so on and so on. Most of these projects are actually later listed on Uniswap. So if you actually want to participate in some IDO on Polkastarter, what you need to do is go to Polkastarter, come here and see upcoming pools. So this is upcoming in about 16 hours, and this one is upcoming in to be announced. So we don't know the date. So in 16 hours this is gonna change, and then you will be able to actually click here and sign up to be whitelisted. If you actually will be whitelisted, that means that you'll be able to take part in the IDO. So each project has a bucket of addresses to become whitelisted. You need to do one of two things to actually be able to then click here and become whitelisted. So right now I'm gonna show you these two ways. All right, so first way is to actually holding pools in an Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain wallet, and then two, providing liquidity to an ETH pools pool on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So with the first way, you just need to hold at least 250 Pulse token on your wallet, and then you will receive one lottery ticket. As you can see, Pulse token is currently at 1.19. 250 Pulse token is currently about $300, and for 250 tokens you will be able to receive a one ticket, which equals the one entry into the whitelist process. So if you own 750 Pulse, you will have 3 tickets to your name when you submit your address to be whitelisted. So the more tickets you have, the greater your chance of being selected. Alright, so if you hodl 250 Pulse token, it doesn't mean you have guaranteed allocation. Alright, this only means that you have one ticket to the lottery, so you'll be actually able to take part in the lottery, and then you'll have chance to actually being taken and buy in the IDO. Alright, also very important thing, you're not exchanging Pulse for tickets. You only need to hold them, and then you'll receive one ticket in the lottery. Here are the weights of the lottery. You also can provide liquidity, which is a little bit more complicated, but if you provide liquidity, if Pulse pool on Uniswap, your LP tokens will also be counted towards the tickets for being whitelisted. So each LP token is the equivalent of 100 Pulse. So by providing liquidity on Uniswap, you will receive LP tokens, and 2.5 LP tokens is equal to 250 Pulse. So if you have 5 LP tokens, it's equal to 500 Pulse. You will receive 2 tickets in the lottery. So let's say you have 500 Pulse tokens and you have 2 tickets to take part in some IDOs, right? There will be something like ongoing Pulse, and then you'll be able to click here and click take part in the IDO. And when you click, you'll have to wait, and then on the project that you've applied for, there will be a sign with all addresses that are whitelisted. After this, on the projects that you've applied for, you check if you've been whitelisted. If you've actually been whitelisted for the project, then you need to do KYC. It's Know Your Customer, and this is for every single project on Polkastarter. And KYC is to get rid of bots. Also remember that you can have, let's say, 500 Pulse tokens and you have 2 tickets, so it doesn't mean you'll spend those 500 Pulse tokens to buy actually this token. No, you actually need to have ETH or BSC. It depends on which network the project is created. All right, so let's say, as you can see here, the Coinburp was actually on Ethereum, so max allocation was 0.1 Ethereum. So as you can see, let's say this Real Fever was actually created on BNB. The maximum allocation was 0.95 BNB, which is around $300 for now. In the day of the IDO, you actually need to have this amount, at least this amount of BNB on your wallet. You must hold the Pulse in your wallet for at least 7 days prior to the IDO for the tokens to be valid for whitelisting. So as you can see, if you don't have any Pulse tokens on your wallet yet and want to take part in this, there is only 16 hours left, so you won't be able to do this. Alright, each address can only be selected once for a project whitelist. You're not exchanging Pulse for tickets. The number of Pulse you own just representing tickets for the whitelisting projects. So let's say you actually have been taken for an IDO, you've managed to bought these tokens on the IDO on Polkastarter, and then you can do whatever you want with these tokens. Let's say most of the time there's a listing on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and then you actually are able to sell those tokens. Remember that there's something like cooldown period, so for 7 days after this IDO you will not be able to take part in new IDOs on Polkastarter. This is just to make it more fair, to make more people involved in those projects. So yeah guys, almost all of these projects make huge gains for new people, but this is actually quite hard to get in. So this is actually lottery to get in. You will not have a guaranteed allocation in this on Polkastarter. There are many more launchpads which actually have guaranteed allocation. So if, let's say, you buy these tokens, you are sure you will take part in this IDO. You can comment under this video on what launchpads you make a video and a tutorial. And this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in another one.